Hi, my name is Angel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a student performance evaluation template. From understanding strengths to addressing areas for growth, student evaluations pave the way for personalized learning journeys. It's more than just the grades. It's a compass, guiding students towards their full potential. Formaloo empowers educators to gain valuable insights into student performance and fosters a culture of continuous improvement. So why should we invest our time in making student performance evaluations? Firstly, it helps us measure the effectiveness of teaching methods, curriculum, and educational tools, providing insights into what's working and what might need to be changed. Second, it motivates students by setting goals and providing milestones. Evaluations can motivate students to engage more deeply with their learning and refine their practices. Lastly, it helps measure academic progression. This plays a crucial role in decisions regarding student promotion, graduation, and qualification for certain academic opportunities. Now, let's get into creating our student evaluation form.
Now, this is an example of one of our student performance evaluation templates, and as you can see, we have many different fields that we can choose from. Now, as we scroll down to the bottom of our template, to add a new field, we press the plus button, and we have many different choices, such as a single choice, multiple choice, like dislike button, and more, to align our template with our needs. Now, on the Design tab, we have the option to show the form as a classic form or one question on each page. There's also the options to show the form title, shuffle the fields order, and etc. We can also change the colors to match our needs, such as the button color, the background, the text, and also change the corner roundness if needed. Now, on the Share tab, we have the option to share the URL with other educators simply by pressing Copying Link. We can also add new members with their email addresses and also embed the link within a website. Just press Get Code and you'll be able to access it through there. Now, through the help desk, you can get all the help you need through our articles. You can also ask our AI chatbot, where you can ask questions and get more information about Formaloo. Now, in the article section, you can see we have many different categories of information, all of which can cater to your needs.
So that's how we make a student performance template. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or access our help desk. Till then, see you next time.